How to connect Discord account to YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to YouTube. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Discord account, and after that just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and over here just simply locate the settings from the top right corner. And over here, when you will scroll down under the account settings, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it. And over here, in order to connect your Discord account to YouTube, all you have to do is just simply click on the add section from the top right corner and just simply scroll down till the bottom, and you will be able to see the option called YouTube. Just simply tap on it and it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your email address in which you have the account in YouTube. Just simply select one. So for example, I have this particular account, and now you have to click on select all if you want to, and click on continue. And you need to make sure that you trust Discord in order to connect the Discord to your YouTube account. And as soon as you click on continue, your Discord account will be connected to your YouTube account. So that's how simple it is to connect your Discord to YouTube. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.